Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the Teak Raycast extension. Raycast, if you don't know, is like a quick launcher app with lots of cool extensions, and one of those extensions now is Teak. So Teak is a place to store your design references, bookmarks, anything really, and so Teak now has a Raycast extension. So it has things like Ask Teak. So this is AI Ask. So you can just ask for things like images with screenshots, and it will show things like that. And one of my most used things is search cards. So I can search for things like screenshot, and it will show everything that has a screenshot. So I can open it, see the image, see the AI tags and everything. And another thing is quick save. So this will have everything in your anything in your um, clipboard directly pasted here, so it's easy to save to take. So I can just type in anything and save to take, and it will be done easily. And another thing that I have is just save to take, which you can type anything quickly in this input itself and save. And save clipboard, which if I'm browsing something, and you can add like you can put a configure extension and add hotkey to this. And if you just want to save something quickly while you copy things, you can just add a hotkey and use it like that. So that will be helpful. And another thing is quick save and save to take. Everything is it's very focused on capturing as quick as possible, and then you can use search and ask to find anything you want as quick as possible. So you can get the so whatever we saved will be saved here, and it will have the summary and a tags as well. So it's easy to um, quickly find everything again. And it's all private, no data goes out, so it's easy to have a private vault for yourself. So go to teakvault.com/apps and find the Raycast extension, and it's fully free and you can use it, and let me know how it goes.